Umuulan, stress ka, tapos ang gusto mo na lang ay mag-relax. Kami din. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa Sol Massage and Beauty Salon. So guys, na-invite kami sa Sol Massage to check out their place and promise, hindi kami nag-expect na ganito kalaki. They have more than 50 beds, may rooms for couples, for families, and barkada. And may rooms na included ang foot spa and area with relaxing chair spa. We tried their 1-hour Korean style massage and grabe, yung back massage and stretching talaga yung favorite namin. Tapos may earwaxing pa sila. Parang na-clear ang utak ko, promise. The ambience, it's super calming. They have good lighting, very fragrant, ang linis. Isama mo pa dyan ang mga professional nilang mga masahista. May locker room for your belongings, may shower to freshen up. Plus, they have a salon na may services for men and women like haircut, manicure, pedicure, shave, almost everything. And get this, walang problema sa parking. They have a huge parking lot, so whether mag-isa ka lang or buong angkan ninyo, carry lang. Plus maraming masahista, so pwede talagang group massage. They are open daily from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. and affordable ang prices nila. May ongoing promos pa like birthday promos, so check out their fan page to stay updated. You can find them along Fil-Am Friendship Highway sa Barangay Anunas, Angeles City in front of KFC and Starbucks, ha? So mga kabalen, ready na ba kayong mag-relax at mag-pamper? See you sa Sol Massage and Beauty Salon.